Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers and listeners, welcome to our Eid al-Adha program. My name is Anur Islam. I am a student of Pre-Hifz Department in Ar-Rayhan International Madrasah. Honorable Chairman, Mufti Kaium, distinguished guests, respected teachers and guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you. Now I request to my classmate Fatiha to deliver her presentation on Eid al-Adha. Please come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, my classmate and Miss Anur Islam, to give me opportunity for delivering a speech on Eid al-Adha. We know Eid al-Adha is the festival of sacrifice. It is very important and great festival for Muslims. Eid al-Adha remembers the history of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi willingness to sacrifice his son Prophet Ismail alayhi when Allah wanted him to. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran al-Karim, Surah Al-An'am, ayat 162, قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Indeed, my prayer, my rites of sacrifice, my living and my dying for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We celebrate Eid al-Adha on 10th day of Dhul-Hajj and on the last day of Hajj. On this day, we go to Idgah with new and best dress, perform some Eid al-Adha salat. Then we sacrifice halal animals for Allah and share this meat with relatives and poor. That's all about Eid al-Adha. Thank you very much for watching us and prayer for us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.
Ar-Rayhan International Madrasa, একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।